Here's how to delete all your liked videos on YouTube at once. Now, if you're on YouTube and you would prefer to remove all of your likes, basically go through all of the previous videos that you've liked and remove that from YouTube. It's easy to do so, and it's just one button. So let's hop into YouTube here, and we'll tap on our profile at the top right. Now, on here, you can see midway down is your data in YouTube. Let's tap on that. And this will pull up your account. Let's scroll down a bit, and under YouTube controls, let's tap this Manage Your YouTube Watch History. What this will do is it'll bring up all of your YouTube history, including your interactions. So let's tap on Interactions at the top right. And here you can see video likes and dislikes. So let's tap on that. This will show all of the liked videos on YouTube. If you want to delete them all just in one go, all you have to do is hit this little X at the very top right, and you can see it will delete all of them for that specific period. So you can just go through here and just keep tapping these, and it will delete all of them. So you can see I can go through this entire list, and directly in here, I'll be able to delete all of those likes, and just keep tapping that. It's quick and easy to do so. You can do it all in this specific window. Hope this helps. Your questions on that, leave them in the comments down below. I'll catch you on the next one.